It's almost summer, and with the heat also comes the rain. Since our last video, we continued working on the shower and completed a couple things. But now it's crucial to adapt and plan the projects around stormy days. Guys, that's the summer here. We are able to work some, but the rain doesn't help at all. And now it kind of like stopped for a little bit. We have to check the weather todo el rato.
Should record.
So now we did the thing with the shower. It's still raining on and off.
Not really.
On and off.
I mean,
And so tomorrow, since it's gonna rain a little more, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the van for a run to Home Depot. We're gonna get a bunch of stuff that we need. Like I need a little bit more wood for some touches, like on the ceiling of I need to fix the ceiling of the shower. I need to finish the frame of the kitchen window. We can get this piece of wood for the garage. I think that's important. That's something that we could do. And yeah, stuff like that. And then the rest of the week it should be fairly dry. So that way we can work in a bunch of stuff. Every time we take the van around the city, we have the opportunity to test all of the new additions and make sure everything is solid in place. So we bought this long piece of wood. It's very thick. I want to say it's like, I don't know, half an inch or no.
oh, it's an inch.
This is definitely an inch thick. It's pretty heavy wood. This one is gonna be on the back area of our garage, and it has a curved shape, and the idea is to be able to open it, have access to these cubbies we're gonna have, and close it. And we're probably gonna cut it straight, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Wait, don't do it yet. We're gonna test. We're gonna
make a smoothie.
We're gonna make a smoothie because Aidan got the plugs working.
Let's go.
Oh, ¿qué pasó ahí? Uf. Okay. Go for it, baby. Woo! 40 amps.
What?
40 amps.
No.
Qué loco.
Crazy. I mean, it's a high-powered device, so.
Yeah.
It works.
At least we use it for like 2
Couple
seconds. Woo! ¡Qué buena! Primer smoothie en la van. I started working in the van really early today. Got some stuff done, little things. install some hooks in the front cabinet of the van where the driver's seats are, driver and passenger seat are, so we can like hang our hats and stuff. Painted, like put wood putty and painted this part of the shower. And oh yeah, we figured the situation for the hinge for the upper cabinet in the kitchen. It's been a little bit of a struggle to find the right hinge, but finally I think we found the right one. Also, how cool is to hang out in my living room? While we waited for the gray water tank to be delivered, we decided to work on one of the last big projects, the drawers for our dresser and kitchen. Ayer fue un día rico en micheladas and we had an amazing Thai dinner. We went to Home Depot and bought a little bit more of wood for the bottoms of the cabinets. No, for the bottom part of the drawers. So now we're gonna get cutting that and putting them together. Very exciting. Let's do it. For this project, we got soft close, half-inch thick drawer sliders. As you can see, in this part, we couldn't use the wood clamps because the bench is right next to it. So we tackled a bunch of wood and brought the sliders to its place.
Chiquillos,
Chiquillo, miren, nuestras...
this is the first time, besides counting cold hard cash, that the mathematics have really paid off. I'd like to thank all my math teachers.
Do you like to make cabinets?
Yes. Cabinets were fun. Once again, I'd like to thank all my math teachers. Mr. Scafidi, my mom, you were always there for me with math.
Buena, mi Aidan, con sus matemáticas. Lo logramos. And this is the final look. We love how these drawers came out so much that we cannot wait to move in.